She make some nice, changes to the place. What do you think?
How much longer she go there?
Oh, so my time is up. You guys really want me to leave?
The wedding, Trevor, hit to the highest note.
So when is the wedding? I would love to be a part of it.
Nicey, you alright?
I have to run. I have something to sort it. I mean to sort out. I'm going to my room. I have to run.
She not take it good enough?
One down, two to go. If you not think you not gonna get married and just leave me out in a cold, sir. Now the next guest coming.
Hello?
What's up?
Who is this?
Nicey. Oh, you don't know the number. Sorry.
Hi, Nicey.
How are you, Camille?
Fine. I didn't expect to hear from you, Nicey, because the last time you were here, you took off and we were not notified. So I never expect to hear from you. What's up?
Camille, I'm sorry about that. I had to rush. I had to leave because I had to come overseas to straighten some things with my daughter. You know, they're getting bigger now and acting out of character, and I try to fix her, try to put her back in order, but she wants nothing from my end.
Okay. Sorry to hear. Maybe she'll come around one of them day here.
I mean, I really not think so. I think she resent me because I wasn't there in her earlier stage of life.
Well, all you have to do is just make it change with time, because really and truly, you can't do nothing else.
You know, sometimes I wish I had a younger child in my life that could love me unconditionally. Because you see the fact that she's getting older, she have other people in her life now.
Nicey, I understand, but I forgot cut the call you short because I'm really busy. We'll talk some other time.
Oh, come here. Things with you and Trevor. How is the wedding? How is the planning?
Everything is fine. Everything is coming along quite fine. Thank you for asking.
Yes. You know, I was just wondering if I could help with the planning, or I don't know if I have a maid of honor already, but I think I will fit that spot.
Nicey, with no
Camille, I would even buy your wedding dress and bring it for you.
Alright, so Nicey, respectfully, I do not want anything from you. For the simple fact that you are with my man and now you want to be so involved, it not go work. Miss sorry it sound that way here, but Trevor, your friend, and him will always be your friend. But my afi set the boundaries right here, so just leave it alone. And I would love if you do not show up at my wedding.
Okay, Camille, I understand.
Thank you.
I got to run now, alright? Take care, Camille.
Have a lovely day. Goodbye. Tagala man. You know, I really can't understand some people. Like, why that woman feel say, me, good Camille, would I make she send something come give me? She crazy. No, sir. One crazy girl. Look on this. And this a mad girl, you know? This mad girl. As Rosalie would say, this mad girl them. No, sir.